Sección 53. Ahora, lección 55.
The mouse really loved hip-hop.
A un ratón le encantaba.
The bear didn't want to wear the black leather jacket.
El oso no quiere vestir la derecha.
Weather. Leather.
The lions have a helicopter business.
Los leones tienen un negocio de helicóptero.
The bear loved drinking tea with honey on stage. Steak. Stage.
The monkey always used an old, brown leather suitcase. The monkey always used an old, brown leather suitcase.
Wow.
The monkey always used an old, brown leather suitcase. The monkey always used an old, brown leather suitcase. Suitcase.
The mouse bought some little leather pants. Weather. Leather.
The bear uses
Very expensive chocolate.
shampoo. The mouse loved the stage. Stays.
Stage. Reading.
Riding.
Scooter.
Scooter. Is
More fun
fun
than
than
walking.
walking.
Driving scooter.
Mouse.
Perfect.
Packed.
Suitcase yet.
Yet.
And the no tiene mucho tiempo.
The
Turtle
turtle
family
family
didn't
did have
have
int
any shampoo.
shampoo.
The turtle family didn't have
The mouse loved the stage. Stage.
any scooter más verde que reading.
Riding. A
Scooter
scooter is
more
more
fun than walking.
walking.
The
Turtle
family
family didn't
int
have
have
any shampoo.
shampoo.